Greetings, Panther educators. Welcome back to Schoology FAQs, figuring it out one click at a time. Today's question, first question today anyway, how do I populate materials at the top of my course page? So in your course page, you will uh, notice that if you just click add materials, and then let's just add a folder here, but it works the same way for everything else, and you don't specify a place for that to go on the page, just adds it at the bottom. Okay, so here it is. So maybe you've been doing that so far in Schoology. You can always drag and drop any materials. Can't really throw it. You've got to be kind of deliberate about it. Hover over a space, you see that gray box open, and wherever I want to drop it in the gray box, that's where it's going to go. Okay. Or if I want to move it all the way to the top so that students see it first thing at the top of the page, I can drag it there. Okay. But there's a way to actually place items anywhere on the page that you'd like. So if I want to put a new folder with assignments for a new unit at the top of the page so students see it as soon as they land on my course page, I just want to come up and hover until I get the green line. Any of these existing gray lines will turn green when you hover over them. You just left click, single click, add a folder, blank folder. You can, put your description here and add anything else that you want. And you can, set a start time for it to appear and add an end date. And then choose your folder options here. I'm just going to leave it as is. Click create folder and boom, there it is at the top. Okay, so hopefully that helps you organize your page a little bit. If you have any questions, of course, let me know.